Okay, hello folks. This exercise is to strengthen your sacro-iliac joint, the ligaments that bridge between the bottom of your spine, your sacrum, and the ilium, the crest of your pelvis. And so these little ligaments are very small and they can get very weak, and it's very common in lower back conditions that this little hinge can be unstable and it can be very painful. So we want to isolate these muscles, and this is one way to do it. So you want to be laying down, head to either side. Head straight down is ideal, but either side is fine. Arms at 90 degrees, cactus arms. Your knees come wide and your feet come together. Okay, and so the most important part is the layers of engagement, so you can isolate that area rather than having other muscles come in to overtake. So first, have a breath. Then what we want to do is we want to draw our shoulders to our spine and draw them down like you're tucking them in the back pockets of your jeans. And then we want to engage our core, so draw our navel in to our spine. Yeah, so this will stabilize our lower back. Then we want to push our feet together, and you'll feel when you push your feet together, this will start to isolate that joint. Yeah, so feet together, and then we're going to bring the knees off the ground if you can, but really you don't actually have to bring them off at all. It's just a matter of lifting just slightly, because oftentimes this area will be really challenging to get this area engaged and lift the knees. So really it's just a matter of taking the weight off your knees and then bringing it back down. Another layer towards that is, once we're drawn in and down, we have drawn our core in, we've pushed our feet together, raised our knees, then we can raise our arms. But really, essentially, it's just about your shoulder blades coming in and down, feet pushing together, knees wide, drawing your core into your spine, navel to spine, and then raising the knees just slightly, and literally they don't need to come off the mat, just enough to engage them. So the most important part is your core's switched on, drawn in, your feet are pushing together to isolate that joint, and then when that joint's isolated, we're raising the knees just slightly, and then release. And remember, don't overdo it. Okay, it's just about teaching this muscle, this ligament, to switch on before anything else does, and then switching it off. So it's literally reprogramming. Thank you very much, folks. I hope this works for you and helps you out with your back stuff.